Alcohol.
Socially.
How social are you?
Stop! Yeah, most importantly, you're hurting us. Me mainly.
San Diego was not my fault.
All right, heads or tails?
Heads!
Tails!
Shit, where'd it go? Admit it, Nancy. You've been taking my homemade pudding cups from the fridge.
I didn't take them!
Yes, you did.
I swear I didn't!
This is not going to work.
It has to work.
We're going to fail.
Jake knows the plan. Time's almost up. Trust him.
There, Bowler Hat with a briefcase getting into the elevator.
Stand by. We have sighting of a suspect entering the building this morning.
Okay, what floor does he get off on?
4.
That's our floor.
What happens next?
I'm so sorry.